Hello and welcome to CVAT Academy, your go-to training hub for mastering data annotation with CVAT. In this video, we'll see how to label a 3D model with cuboids in a real project. Let's get started. Let's start by opening the instructions. In this task, we need to annotate cars in 3D point clouds using cuboids. It is important that the cuboid boundaries tightly enclose all the car's points from all sides. We only annotate cars that are clearly recognizable in the point cloud. If a car has too few points or less than 50% of its shape is visible, annotation is not required. The following examples show cases where annotation should be skipped. Such cars are highlighted in red. Now we close the instructions and proceed with annotation. In the 3D scene, we locate the cars. Let's start with these. The number of points allows us to clearly identify them as cars. We activate the Cuboid tool and place the cube as close to the car as possible, or ideally, directly on it. Now we move on to adjusting the cuboid in the projection windows. We begin with the top view. Here we need to align the cuboid's size and, if necessary, rotate it to match the car's plane. Then we switch to the side view and adjust the shape. Finally, in the front view, we correct the tilt angle to align it with the surface. The annotation of the first car is complete. Now we move on to the next one. To speed up the process, we copy the previously created cuboid and adjust it similarly, matching the cuboid's size to the car and rotating it if needed. We continue annotating the remaining cars in the frame in the same way. Some cars have too few points, making them difficult to recognize. We skip their annotation and move on to the next frame. The annotation process follows the same algorithm. We copy the previous cuboid and adjust it for the current car. This is the main annotation strategy for this task. At the same time, it is important to assess other cars in the frame. Remember, we do not annotate cars with too few points that do not allow for a clear assessment of their shape and boundaries. Annotation is now complete. This is a fairly simple task where the main goal is to correctly identify and annotate cars while avoiding annotation of objects with an insufficient number of points. That's all. Thank you for watching.